you looking for ways to connect with children? Use puppets. When I work as a relief teacher, I come to groups where I have no understanding of children's background, I don't know their names, and my baby wombat, Archie, helps me to familiarize myself with children and introduce myself through this wonderful co-teacher that I have. So usually he comes to children, he says, "Hello, what is your name?" And children usually say, "My name is Henry." And he's like, "Oh, Henry, can you say it again?" And they say Henry, and this way I learn their name faster. I also say, "Would you like to introduce yourself and give me high five?" And then they pat his little paw. Then sometimes my baby wombat hides. I have either a pocket or put him away for a little bit, and this brings them back, and they start asking questions. "Where did your baby wombat go? Can you bring him back?" And this way I bring back my baby wombat, and he starts interacting with children. An interesting thing happened yesterday as well. One of the children, he was very interested in baby wombat Archie, and then when I tried to put him away, I noticed something about him. He looked at baby wombat and he said, "Oh, it is a puppet." And he was very surprised. But you know, even with understanding that this is a puppet, children still react really well to this kind of animation. There is something inside our brain that makes us look at the puppet as an animated object and connect well with the puppet. So this wombat, if I was, let's say, working in this room, would become our everyday guest, and he would be pretty much our student and will attend the same room as these children. So that would be really, really great idea to incorporate him as part of our curriculum. What do you think about puppets? Are you using them in your program? Post in the comments below.